I'm Luke, and I'm the creator of GX35, the bikepacking bag that fits more stuff than you may want, featuring a removable gear lid. This video is about me and why I spent the last 3 years developing DX35. I'm the inventor of a bunch of things you've never heard before, and Jack, the rack that fits more than one bike. It solved the problem of commuting to and from the workshop with a bunch of stuff. Together with Miles, we developed it into what it is today. Turns out, Jack is pretty good for bikepacking too, so every holiday turned into bikepacking trips, testing the latest prototypes. We get to call these work trips now. I love traveling by bike, but didn't have any specific bikepacking bags, which is good because I probably wouldn't have spent the time to develop DX35 if I had. I'd take whatever bag that I could fit all my stuff, depending on the climate and the type of adventure. The seed of a better bag than what I had lying around must have been planted on these trips. I've had a love affair with sewing machines since I was a child. I think it was down to, 1, it was a machine I could have in my bedroom, and 2, how quickly what you're making materializes into something useful. As a child, I was obsessed with making kites, which progressed into clothes for school friends, mini disc cases, then bags for cameras and a bunch of weird stuff in between. Being a product designer with a ton of sewing experience, now bikepacking extensively, I really started dreaming. I should probably sketch more than I do, but I prefer to get stuck in and quickly make an idea to test the proof of concept as soon as possible. A 2-month COVID lockdown later, yes, I had a new machine installed at home the day before lockdown started. I was tens of prototypes deep and gagging to start real-world testing some of the features I'd put into the initial prototypes. A bunch of them sucked, but a feature that stuck was the lid with volume, now called the gear lid and accessible while riding. Satisfied with the proof of concept, I shifted my focus away from the studio day-to-day and became obsessed with making the best bikepacking bag I could. 3 years, hundreds of prototypes. 1 bicycle pube's tiny fucking handlebar competition, a new company, tens of thousands of money spent on an obsessive journey through fabrics, from Hayley Stevens' beautiful waxed canvas, Dimension Polyur's bikepacking standard X-Pack, Dynema's insane properties, to challenge sailcloth later. I think I've done it. May I present to you the production version of DX35 with a removable gear lid, accessible while riding. To see more of the bag, check out the install video linked below. Okay, it's out there. Now I need to start on the Kickstarter script, as we plan to launch in 1 month. Check the date this video was uploaded to see if you missed it or not. I'll add a link to the campaign below as soon as we're live. I'm nobody and I need all the help I can get to help spread the word of DX35. So please share, like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and if you want to know when we launch the Kickstarter campaign, head over to RekkiWorks.com and sign up for the launch email. Right, that's all for now. Back to the regular DIY videos here. See you on Kickstarter, peeps.